You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how you can pronounce it, how it is to be pronounced, a name of Welsh origin. For more Welsh names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, meaning God is gracious. It's going to be two slightly different pronunciations depending on the accent. Sioned, Sioned or Sioned, Sioned or Sioned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.